Hello mathematicians, I hope by the end of this video you can say I can solve equations involving combining like terms. We're going to do two examples, but let's look at this first one here now. So we have 8z plus 3z equals 44. So on this left side of the equation we have two terms with variables in them, and they have the same variable. So they are a like term. They have the same variable, so they are a like term. So what we need to do is we need to combine these two terms, these two like terms. So 8z plus 3z, the z doesn't change. We just need to add the coefficients together. So we get 11z equals 44. From here, now it's just a one-step equation. Let's just divide by 11. That gets rid of the 11 over here. And if we do that on the left side, we also need to do it on the right side. So we get z equals 4. 44 divided by 11 is 4. Let's verify our solution quick here. So we've got 8 times 4 plus 3 times 4 equals 44. So 8 times 4, that is 32. Plus 3 times 4, that is 12. And we know 32 plus 12 does indeed equal 44. So we see 44 equals 44. So z equals 4. That's a good solution right there. Let's look at one more example quick. So we're given 2a minus 4a equals 16. So on this left side, we have two like terms. They have the same variable. So we just need to subtract their coefficients now, because we're subtracting. So 2 minus 4, that gives us negative 2. So negative 2a equals 16. Now we just need to divide this by negative 2, as well as on the right side. And we see a equals 16 divided by negative 2 is negative 8. Let's verify our solution before we move on though. So we see 2 times negative 8 minus 4 times negative 8 equals 16. So 2 times negative 8 is negative 16 minus 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. I'm going to put that in parentheses. We probably also could have just distributed this minus in with, so it could have just been plus 32 and saved us a step, but that's okay. So we get negative 16 minus a negative 32. That's negative 16 plus 32 equals 16. And we know negative 16 plus positive 32. We know our answer is going to be a positive 16. And 32 minus 16 is 16. And we see 16 equals 16, which is a true statement. So a equals negative 8. That's a good solution. I hope by now, with a little bit of practice, you can say I can solve equations involving combining like terms.